So the Trump administration has ruled in favor of expanding exemptions to employers for contraceptive coverage, basically birth control, specifically for women. The Affordable Care Act, which was passed under Obama, essentially required employees or employers to cover preventive care unless there was some type of religious objection to it. So Trump, in expanding the ruling, he went from there only being a religious exemption or objection for these individual businesses to businesses that are nonprofit and that are for-profit but aren't publicly traded. So basically, you go from only companies with religious objections being exempt to every company except publicly traded businesses being exempt. And you can imagine what that means for women. The numbers were instantly about 70,000 to around 120,000. Women would lose immediate free coverage of birth control with their jobs. And this ruling, it pretty much takes most employers off the hook. It's no longer a requirement. We don't know if these employers will actually make that switch eventually, but if they decide to, they have that ability to. And that just greatly undermines the concept of free contraception for women. Women shouldn't have to pay for birth control. That should be something that is offered, if not by employers, then by the government, in my opinion. And if Trump is going to allow a nonprofit or for-profit, pretty much any company, to discriminate against this ruling, then the government should provide assistance. They should provide that safety net. And whenever Obama passed this act, there was this religious objection, and that's understandable. You have these businesses like Hobby Lobby. I think they were the ones who went to court. You have 7-Eleven, their religious institution. Chick-fil-A closed on Sundays, and this proves exactly why we need a national healthcare system, a form of national healthcare, because if you're not going to require the businesses to offer birth control coverage, then who's going to do it? You're going to force these women to pay for this. So let me know what you all think. I think this is a blatant abuse of power by the Trump administration, and you're taking away basic needs. These are basic needs, and they're not being acknowledged. So yeah, let me know what you think, comment, and I'd love to know how you feel about these type of issues.